small pots can bring life to even the tiniest indoor spaces. With the right greenery, they add charm, purify the air, and create a calming atmosphere. Perfect for shelves, windowsills, or tabletops, these compact companions are low maintenance and stylish, making them ideal for modern, space-conscious living environments. Let's quickly explore these plants. African violet, St. Paulia ionantha, is an ideal plant for small pots due to its compact growth and shallow root system. It produces soft, velvety leaves and vivid flowers in shades of purple, pink, or white. Perfect for tabletops or windowsills, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil kept evenly moist. Avoid getting water on the leaves to prevent spotting. African violets bloom frequently when cared for properly and benefit from regular feeding. Their petite size, colorful blooms, and easy care make them a beautiful choice for small containers in indoor settings like kitchens or living rooms. String of pearls, Senecio roleinus, is a striking succulent known for its unique, bead-like leaves that resemble green pearls strung along delicate trailing stems. Perfect for small pots and hanging containers, this plant adds a touch of whimsy to indoor spaces. It thrives in bright, indirect light and requires well-draining soil to prevent root rot. As a drought-tolerant succulent, it needs infrequent watering only when the soil is completely dry. Ideal for tabletops or shelves, the string of pearls grows best in a warm, dry environment. With minimal care, its elegant trailing vines can grow long and lush, enhancing any compact space. Baby rubber plant, Peperomia obtusifolia, is a compact, easy-care houseplant ideal for small pots. It features thick, glossy, oval-shaped leaves that store water, making it drought-tolerant and perfect for beginners. Native to Central and South America, it thrives in bright, indirect light but can also adapt to low-light conditions. The plant prefers well-draining soil and occasional watering, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Its upright, bushy growth makes it great for desktops, shelves, or small indoor corners. With its low maintenance needs and attractive, vibrant foliage, the baby rubber plant is a stylish and practical choice for indoor gardening. Miniature snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata Hahni, is a compact variety of the popular snake plant, known for its rosette of short, upright, sword-like leaves with green and silver variegation. Ideal for small pots, this hardy plant is perfect for desks, shelves, or tight indoor spaces. It thrives in low to bright indirect light and is extremely drought-tolerant, needing minimal watering. The Hahni variety is especially popular for its air-purifying qualities and architectural appeal. With its tough nature and low maintenance needs, the miniature snake plant is an excellent choice for beginners and adds a modern, sculptural touch to any indoor setting. Nerve plant, Fittonia albivenis, is a striking indoor plant admired for its vibrant, veined foliage. Its small, oval leaves display intricate white, pink, or red veins that contrast beautifully against the deep green background. Perfect for small pots, it thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity, making it ideal for terrariums or bathrooms. The nerve plant prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil and dislikes drying out completely. Though compact and slow-growing, it offers bold visual interest and adds a lush, tropical feel to indoor spaces. With proper care, Fittonia can flourish as a charming and colorful accent in any small container. Jade plant, Crassula ovata, is a popular succulent known for its thick, fleshy, oval-shaped leaves and tree-like appearance. Ideal for small pots, it's a favorite among indoor gardeners due to its low maintenance and longevity. Native to South Africa, the jade plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and requires well-draining soil. Watering should be infrequent, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Its compact growth makes it suitable for desktops, shelves, or windowsills. Believed to bring good luck and prosperity, this hardy, slow-growing plant adds both beauty and symbolism to any small indoor space. Devil's Ivy, Epipremnum aureum, is a hardy, fast-growing vine known for its heart-shaped, glossy green leaves often variegated with yellow or white. Perfect for small pots or hanging baskets, it can trail or climb, making it highly versatile for indoor decor. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in low to bright indirect light and tolerates irregular watering, making it ideal for beginners. Devil's Ivy is also an excellent air purifier. It prefers well-draining soil and occasional pruning to encourage bushier growth. Its resilience, attractive foliage, and adaptability make it a favorite for adding greenery to small indoor spaces. Kalanchoe, Kalanchoe blossfeldiana, is a charming succulent admired for its vibrant, long-lasting blooms and fleshy, dark green leaves. Ideal for small pots, this compact plant fits perfectly on windowsills, desks, or tabletops. Native to Madagascar, it thrives in bright, indirect light and requires minimal watering as its succulent leaves store moisture. Kalanchoe blooms in cheerful shades of red, pink, yellow, orange, or white, often lasting for several weeks. It prefers well-draining soil and benefits from occasional feeding during the flowering season. Low maintenance and visually striking, Kalanchoe adds a splash of color and elegance to any indoor space. Burro's tail, Sedum morganianum, is a unique trailing succulent known for its cascading stems covered in plump, blue-green leaves that resemble a braided tail. Perfect for small hanging pots or shelves, it adds a whimsical touch to indoor spaces. Native to southern Mexico and Honduras, it thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and prefers well-draining soil. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings as its thick leaves store moisture. Burro's tail is delicate to touch, its leaves can fall off easily, so handle with care. This drought-tolerant, low-maintenance plant is ideal for adding texture and charm to compact indoor settings. String of Hearts, Ceropegia woodii, is a delicate, trailing plant admired for its heart-shaped leaves with silver veining and purple undersides. Ideal for small pots and hanging planters, it brings elegance and charm to compact indoor spaces. Native to South Africa, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil. Water sparingly, as it's semi-succulent and stores moisture in its tuberous roots. With proper care, it can produce small, tubular pink or purple flowers. Its trailing vines grow quickly, making it perfect for shelves or macrame hangers. The String of Hearts is both low maintenance and visually captivating for indoor gardeners. Zebra Haworthia, Haworthiopsis attenuata, is a small, hardy succulent prized for its striking, white-striped leaves that resemble zebra patterns. Growing in a neat rosette, this plant is ideal for small pots and thrives in bright, indirect light. Native to South Africa, it is highly drought-tolerant and prefers well-draining, sandy soil. Water sparingly, only when the soil is completely dry, as overwatering can lead to root rot. Its compact size makes it perfect for desks, windowsills, or terrariums. Easy to care for and slow-growing, Zebra Haworthia adds a bold, architectural element to indoor spaces while requiring minimal maintenance. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes philostachya, is a vibrant and eye-catching indoor plant known for its colorful foliage speckled with pink, white, or red dots. Its compact size makes it perfect for small pots, tabletops, or terrariums. Native to Madagascar, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil. High humidity and regular misting help maintain its vivid colors. Although often grown as an annual, it can live longer indoors with proper care and occasional pruning to encourage bushy growth. The polka dot plant brings a cheerful, decorative touch to any indoor space with its playful, speckled leaves. Echeveria elegans is a popular rosette-forming succulent known for its fleshy, pale green to bluish-gray leaves with a powdery coating. Often referred to as the Mexican snowball, it's perfect for small pots and thrives on windowsills or tabletops. Native to Mexico, Echeveria prefers bright, direct to indirect sunlight and well-draining soil. As a drought-tolerant plant, it requires infrequent watering, only when the soil is completely dry. Its compact size and symmetrical form make it a favorite for succulent arrangements. Low maintenance and visually striking, Echeveria adds a clean, elegant touch to indoor spaces with its sculptural beauty. Air plant Tillandsia is a unique and salt-free plant that absorbs moisture and nutrients through its specialized leaves. Belonging to the bromeliad family, it's perfect for small containers, glass terrariums, or mounted displays. Native to Central and South America, air plants thrive in bright, indirect light and require regular misting or soaking a few times a week. They prefer good air circulation and dry out quickly between waterings. With their curious, sculptural shapes and minimal care needs, Tillandsias are ideal for creative indoor displays, bringing a modern, airy touch to small spaces without the need for traditional pots or soil. Living stones, lithops, are fascinating succulents that resemble small pebbles or stones, allowing them to blend into their natural surroundings in arid regions of southern Africa. Ideal for small pots, these tiny plants grow slowly and remain compact, making them perfect for windowsills or succulent displays. Lithops thrive in bright, direct sunlight and require minimal watering, only when the soil is completely dry, especially during their dormant periods. Overwatering can easily lead to rot, so they are best suited for careful, attentive growers. With their unusual appearance and seasonal, daisy-like blooms, living stones offer a unique and conversation-starting addition to any indoor plant collection.